Test number 1 with a hard coupling, solid coupling, plastic. That's a hard plastic coupling. Trying to break it, see if it breaks easily. Somebody say if this can go up on heels. Yeah, it can go up on the heels. It's not flexible, it's hard plastic, but it works. I'm trying to break it. So that's a hard plastic. I hope I can break it. Just doing a little, just doing a test. It's not flexible, but I think it's working. So why this say if it can go up hills? Of course, it can go up hills. I don't know why they say that, but there's plenty of room to make it go up on a hill. Anyways, the hills on these Trackmaster models have been designed not for 45 degrees, I think it's for 15 degrees angle, so it doesn't matter. I'm trying to break it. It's not gonna break. So here's the proof. It's already 1 minute. That's a hard plastic coupling. Doing a little test. I'm talking about this plastic test. They don't bend. It's just a little bit, but they don't bend. But here in the coupling area on Gordon, it does work. So I'm trying to break it. I'm trying my best to break it. You know, you can see right here. I'm doing my best trying to break it. And also we have the rubber ones, but I think the solid are better. Well, that's what I think. Rubber ones, I got the rubber. It's not the same. It's not elastic. So anyway, here is the rubber one. But I straightened it. Let's continue with the test. I'm doing a test. I know some of you might hate it, you might not like it, but you know, I still need to do the test on these couplings for hard plastic. So there you have, I guess it's gonna last for a long time. That's a hard plastic. So I'm still doing the update, so they will be available soon. So you can do your fix and repair at home. I know it's hard to get these couplings. Actually, there's nobody selling it, and if they sell it, it's very expensive. Like I said at the beginning of the video, okay, I broke it. It took a lot of time to break it, and I did a violent test. I abused the toy to make it break, to break the coupling, but it's hard and it's resistant. If you want to buy this, I will have them available soon. Now I'm going to the next video. It's going to be for the rubber one. Earlier they did that little test, and this rubber I found is not enough, but I'll do a test.